Delhi police yesterday has received in fact a threat email which claims that the Supreme Court will be targeted by a bomb blast. After the threat letter, a dog squad and other security staff inspected the Supreme Court premises, including the area where new construction is taking place. This happened yesterday afternoon. Supreme Court Judge Deepak Mishra, who sentenced 1993 blast convict Yaqub Memon to death, earlier received threats as well. The cyber cell of the Delhi police is probing the origin of the threat email. That's the latest information coming in at this moment. Atir Khan now joins us with all the latest. Atir, can you tell us in greater detail what this email actually said and when was it actually, and who received it, by the way?
Well, this email was received by the Supreme Court, the Registrar's office. That's what we are learning from our sources. But what has been told by our sources is that a joint security review was carried out after this threatening email was received, in which, following which both the NIA, the Intelligence Bureau, and the Delhi police officers have also reviewed security of the residences of the three judges who had pronounced the judgment in Yaqub Memon's case, and also the Supreme Court, premises security has been reviewed, Sanket, after receiving this letter.
What sort of security review has the Delhi police undertaken, Atir, post this threat letter?
Well, you see, earlier there was another letter which was, specified and which mentioned, Justice Deepak Mishra's name. And now, once again, this letter has been reviewed. That is why a joint security review, you see, Sanket, of NIA officials. This is something unprecedented. Normally, this does not happen. But NIA, IP, and Delhi police officers were, sort of briefed to take a review at the residences of all three judges who had pronounced the judgment. And thereafter, a meeting was held at the Supreme Court also to take stock of the security within the premises, though it has adequate security cover. But then, a need was felt to embolden the security arrangements existing at the Supreme Court.
Okay. Atir Khan, many thanks for joining us at this moment. We'll come back to the story. It's a developing story. There is a security review that has taken place at the Supreme Court. Agencies leaving nothing to chance. Okay, let's quickly listen in to Congress's PC Chaku, who also spoke on this particular threat.
Now it is up to the law enforcing agencies to take care of this issue, and such things may happen, because terrorist activities are there in India, very active, especially in Delhi. So such things are to be taken care of seriously by the law enforcing agencies, and I hope sufficient precaution will be taken by the police.
Anusha also joins us on this story. Anusha, what more are you hearing as far as this security review is concerned in the Supreme Court?
Well, what we've just heard from the Bar Association is the fact that the entry of the law interns in the Supreme Court and also the litigants concerned of the cases, the entry of these people have been barred for about 1 month. That is what we are hearing, keeping in mind the security threats around the Supreme Court. Also yesterday, I can tell you, Sanket, that there was increased security presence even yesterday. There were dog squads and other security cordon present in the Supreme Court, which were looking around the area. So that is the latest information we're gathering, and what we are hearing today is that there would be multiple layers of security at the Supreme Court today when the court starts functioning at 10:30.